In this example, we will size a chilled water pipe using the continuity equation. A chilled water pipe is to be sized for a flow rate of 240 gallons per minute at a maximum design velocity of 6 feet per second, which minimum internal diameter is most nearly correct, 3 inches, 3.5 inches for inches, or 5 inches. Let's visualize the pipe. We'll draw a straight pipe and then add an arrow inside to show the direction of water flow. We will use the continuity equation, which relates flow rate, cross-sectional area, and velocity. The equation is Q equals A times V. First, we convert 240 gallons per minute to cubic feet per second. Using the conversion factor 0.002228, we get Q equals 240 times 0.002228, which is about 0.5347 cubic feet per second. Next, we solve for the minimum cross-sectional area by dividing Q by the maximum velocity of 6 feet per second. A equals Q divided by V equals 0.5347 over 6, which is about 0.0891 square feet. To find the pipe diameter, we use the circle area formula. D equals the square root of 4 times the area over pi. That is the square root of 4 times 0.0891 divided by pi, which is the square root of 0.1134, giving about 0.337 feet, or approximately 4.04 inches. The nearest standard size is the 4-inch Schedule 40 pipe with an internal diameter of about 4.026 inches, which satisfies our design. Therefore, the correct answer is C, 4 inches.